Okay, so a tip that I like to use is I normally slick my hair back with like Design Essentials Edge Control, and then I use the Got To Be Freeze Blasting Spray, and I just wrap my hair with a scarf up a day before I'm trying to do like a slick back protective style. Okay, I didn't mean to startle you. So basically right here, I'm just trying to make sure like everything fits because it's really hard to sew something on yourself. Not the best with sewing things on my head, but I did 2 to 3 layers of glue, and then I used my blow dryer. I would recommend cutting the lace off first because it was a little bit more difficult doing it on myself while the lace was still intact. But I went ahead and glued it because it was difficult to do on camera. Ooh, yes, bundles. You know when you bring the bundles out now. Woo, Chile. Instead of gluing the tracks, I basically just sewed it with the needle and thread, and then I went through the. Oh, I'm about to fight somebody. Ooh! I went through the braid, and then I kept wrapping the hair around and around until I got to the very top. I did skip some spaces in between because I just didn't feel like doing them too small, but that's an alternative to using glue. And then I just closed the tracks with the bobby pin. That's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to do any other videos. Just leave it down below.
What lace?
Comment, like, subscribe.